Welcome to this 4-bedroom townhouse for rent in Tokai, Cape Town, Western Cape, South Africa for R24,000 per month. Content upstairs. 4 bedrooms, main ensuite all carpeted. Family bathroom. Storeroom above the stairs. Downstairs. Open plan kitchen to dining room, wooden floors. Large lounge opening to a lovely protected private patio area. Guest toilet leading off the entrance wall. Extras. 1x single garage automated. 1x extra parking bay. Plenty visitors parking. Communal swimming pool surrounded by a fence and beautifully manicured garden. Walking distance to Blue Route Mall, Madai Cross, Mlonde Hospitals and Pick n Pay and the M3 highway. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.